turn your headlights on and nothing happens?
Then let's fix that.
2016 CRV. We're changing the headlight bulbs. I've noticed something, that when you try and twist the connector out, it gets in the way. So what you have to do is unplug the connector first, then turn your light out. So we're replacing these ones. And we're going to be careful not to touch the new bulb, but we're putting in some OSRAM bulbs. So we're going to be careful. We don't want to touch the bulb and get any of our oily skin. Twist it in place, put the connector back on. That's it.
Thanks for watching this quick video. I'll see you next week.